Now let's look at templates. This is pretty simple. So for example, you've got this container here that we made earlier, right? And you want to use it on multiple pages of your website, but you don't want to waste time just recreating it over and over again. So what we'll do is just right click on it here and select Save as Template. Let's call it Demo and click Save. And this is a list of all the templates saved on this website, and if you scroll down, we'll see the demo we just made earlier. Okay, now let's just assume we're on a totally different page and we want to add that same section on this page as well. We'll just go to add a new container, and instead of adding a new container, we go to this button here that says add template. And we've got our list here, and we can either scroll through it or just search here at the top. Let's go with demo, then click on insert and don't apply. And there we have it. It's the exact same container that we made earlier, and you can use it to place it all across your website. Now, in case you don't need a template anymore and just want to be tidy, you go to add a new template and you find it in the list, and at the right here we've got a menu. You click on it and you click on delete. Yes, so we've deleted the template now.